Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a shape on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Now from here to create a shape, at first you have to click on Insert tab. After that select your text. Then click on Word Art option and then choose any design as you like. Then click on Shape Format tab. And then at the corner you can see shape option. From here you can choose any shape as you like. If I select it, and then you can create a shape from here. And that's it. You can see a new shape has been created successfully. Now if you want to bring it back, just select it and then right click on mouse, then click on send to back. And it's done. You can also resize your shape from here. If you want to change your shape color, just click on shape format, then click on shape fill and then choose any color as you like. You can see shape color has been changed successfully. You can also change your shape outline color from here. Just click here and then choose any color as you like. And it's done. You can also add any shape effect from here. And you can add any effect as you like. And that's it. And that is how you can create a shape on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.